How to set stop loss on Charles Schwab. Now, the very first thing that you have to do is you have to decide whether you will be using the browser view from their web or through their application. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome and in my laptop, and then you can also do the same thing. Just pull up your preferred web browser and head directly to swab.com. Then here, you just have to log in using your credentials, and for you to be able to do this method, just head over directly to trade, and then once you tap or click on trade, then select all in one trade ticket. Then after that, to choose on the stock and symbol, and then change the action to sell and input how much quantity you want. Now after everything is set up, you will now then change the order type to stop limit, and then input the stop price and limit price. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can go ahead and set up stop loss on Charles Schwab.